Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if your TCL TV is not connecting to Wi-Fi. So to fix this, first open the settings menu on your TV. Now scroll down and select system. Now click on date and time. In this menu select automatic date and time and set the auto synchronization option. Now scroll down and make sure the time zone is also set correctly. Now try using the Wi-Fi again. If this does not work, turn off your TCL TV. Now go to the wall outlet and unplug the TV's power cable from it. After that, wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds before plugging it back in. After plugging it back in, turn on your TV and see if the Wi-Fi works. This should fix any temporary issues with the TCL TV that may be causing the problem. If this does not work, however, your next option is to go to the settings menu again. Now scroll down and tap on system. Now select about from this menu. Now scroll down and select reset. Select the factory reset option and follow the on-screen prompts. Now this process will remove your Google account and you will need to set up your TV again, but this should help fix any issues with the Wi-Fi, so make sure you try this. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.